Good morning, Hoover Math and Science Academy students and staff. Hi, my name is Steven, and I am coming to you live from the WHVR studio. Today is Friday, October 17, 2014. In weather today, the village of Schaumburg is expected to have a high of 59 and a low of 44, with partly cloudy skies. Now please stand and join us in saying our nation's pledge. Our pledge people for today are
Alexis, Matt.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
In sports, the Bulls won against the Atlanta Hawks last night by a score of 85-84. The Blackhawks play the Nashville Predators tomorrow night at 7:30, and the Bears play the Miami Dolphins on Sunday at noon. Clubs meeting today are the Green Thumb Club Group B in room 103 at 11 o'clock, and Photography Club in room 104 at 3 o'clock. Remember, Monday is the last day for session 1 of lunchtime enrichment classes. Students will then have the opportunity to sign up again during their recess next Tuesday, October 21st, for the second session. And now a word from Mr. Schmelzer.
Thank you, Stephen. Good morning, Hoover Hawks. We are going to pull some Herbie high fives today. So let's shake these up really good. I've got the first egg here. I don't know if this is from the upstairs or the downstairs, but we'll find out real quick. Let's see. We've got Eric in room 121. Jaden in room 119. Kalana in room 105. Let's see, Logan in room 116. Let's do two more. Julissa in 101. And let me fix my glasses here. Jinyi in room 108. All right. Let's do the other egg. Then this must be from the second floor. Intermediate. All right, let's see. We've got Misha in room 214. Rainey in room 214. Larkin in room 213. Mix these up really good. Takudo in room 207. Alicia in room 203. Do a couple more here. My eyes aren't as good as they used to be, apparently. Let's see, we've got Samuel in room 207. And the last one, we're going to get some large print here from Mr. Schmelzer. I might need one of the pledge people to hold this one. We've got Nathan in room, I know what room Nathan's in. He is in room 203. It wasn't on there, but all right, everybody, have a great day. Hold on a minute, Mr. Schmelzer. If your name is called, please come down after announcements. Everybody, have a great day, or not. The choice is yours.
Thank you, Mr. Schmelzer. Here's today's fun fact. More than 1 million miles of Twizzlers are made each year. That's enough to stretch to the moon and back to Earth 2 times. That's all for today. This week's pre-broadcast pictures and sign-offs were brought to you by the first graders in room 107. Good job, first graders. Have a fantastic Friday. See you on Monday.